All right, back with another recap of today. Today's trade was a winner, but it was sized down because I missed my initial entry, which kind of sucks, which would have been a winner, but this was a trade that we took. Um, so anyway, I fixed my mic by the way, so hopefully it's working good now. So, coming into pre-market, my initial bias for today was I was thinking that price was gonna retrace into the equilibrium of this drop pre-market, so like around right here I was thinking price was gonna retrace into the equilibrium before it continued to fall, but um at market open it didn't do that. It showed um strong bearishness, and I knew there was liquidity down here that I wanted to grab. It had this liquidity line, and then uh this liquidity line down here. I don't know why it's red. Um, change that. Okay, there we go. So I flipped biases really quick after price was shown that it wasn't going to retrace into the equilibrium. So going into market open, let me get this market. Let me get market open. All right, market opens right here at 8:30. Obviously with a downtrend, like I said, I was expecting price to retrace up into the equilibrium, and it was showing a strong 5 minute bearish order flow pre-market. So that's kind of where I switched. And um we had London and Asian lows down here. So my last resort was I was thinking price might have swept these lows before trying to continue higher. But I knew there was strong draws on I keep moving this. I knew there's too strong draws on liquidity. So liquidity right here, and then we also had the liquidity right here, and then the final liquidity right here. So that's when I flipped my bias from bullish to bearish. Even though we had this liquidity, then this candle push right here. I was looking for shorts. So the first short I was looking for going into this was obviously we had 5 minute bearish order flow, and then we had um, a 5 minute retrace right here into this fair value gap, as long as with this breaker over here. So price came in, went below it, retraced into this 5 minute fair value gap with this breaker over here, and that's where I wanted to enter. I was going to enter off of this, but I wanted to wait for price to fully, like, I don't know, like retrace up into like the bottom of this candle. I missed my entry literally by like a couple points, and then we had liquidity right here, which I was going to target, and then we ended up actually targeting draws on liquidity all the way down here. So that was kind of painful. I missed the entry right here. So if we go to the 1 minute, you can see that we had that down 5 minute retrace, stops relatively by this order block up here, and looking for about like a 1 to 2 R off of this first liquidity. I don't think I would have held any more contracts all the way down here because I was not expecting price to really drop that fast. So anyway, I missed that trade, which was kind of a bummer. Even though my I was right about it, I just missed the entry. So um after we came down, we swept this liquidity down here and retraced, and then came down. We didn't really get into this liquidity, but um I knew price what was I was thinking price is going to want to retrace from like the swing high to the swing low, and I was looking for like another equilibrium, price to retrace into equilibrium like I was expecting up here. So I was looking for signs of that, and then we had price come back and if we go to the 1 minute, come back and then retrace into kind of this order block area down here. And then after that, it started showing strong signs of 5 minute bullish order flow after tapping into this area. And I entered off that 5 minute bullish order flow, expecting price to come and take out previous highs and getting a market structure shift, which ended up happening. And I could have really targeted equilibrium, but I didn't want to take all that since I already missed my original trade. I only traded about 3 micros on this one. I usually trade 12 micros. I'm going to stop doing that because I'd be getting stopped out way too fast when I do get stopped. And I'm probably going to start like adjusting my sizes based on how volatile the market is that day. Because like today, market was really volatile. So this trade right here, I probably would have traded like 6 micros or something, but since I already missed my main trade, I sized it down to 3 micros when we caught this long right here, targeting this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like I could have waited and went even higher and targeted equilibrium on this trade of this whole move down, because you can see hits equilibrium and now we're trending back down. So yeah, it was basically my trade for today. Kind of made up for the missed entry that I had. So I sized down though, which was good. I don't want to take a lower probable trade with my normal size that I would take, even though it would have hit, but it's not what I want to do. So that's my trade recap for today. See ya.